Today we are in the lush green of Africa Unity Square. We are joined in our current affairs program by the men that you have called names. Some of you have said he's controversial. Some of you said he's a mad person. This man is Pastor Talent Madungwe. Pastor, welcome to our program.
Welcome to the program.
Pastor Madungwe said he went to heaven and had his 30th birthday party with God. Pastor Madungwe later told us that God visited Zimbabwe and met him. Last year, he said he went to heaven and God took him to hell. So we have said it is time for him to tell us if he is not a mad person. Pastor Madungwe, some people are saying some of the things that you are saying out of this world, you are supposed to be in a psychiatric unit getting treatment.
This is how the things of the spirit normally happens. No one can understand the things of the spirit unless you're in the spirit. That's why people, they rejected even Jesus Christ himself. So Jesus said, as they have rejected Jesus, they are going also to reject us. So what? So whenever we say a spiritual thing, no one will understand. It needs another one who is in the spirit to understand it. But I am not a mad person. Even in the Bible we see no one could understand it, the prophet. So if I am a prophet, that qualifies me to be a prophet if people don't understand me.
So these are things of the spirit.
Yeah, these are things of the spirit.
When did you receive your calling?
God called me, it was 2011, 20 May. That's why God visited 20 October. 20 is a special day to us. That's why God visited on the 20th day. So God called me 20 May 2011.
Pastor Madung, when you were growing up, did you have this feeling, or what was going on when you were growing up, so that people can tell us the talent who was a schoolboy and the talent who is a pastor now?
Okay, when I grew up, I was just a simple person. I was just preaching, but I was not willing to be a pastor. But God forced me to be a pastor. Then I started all those things, the events, things which is very controversial, and the more things is going to come. That's my life.
But people are saying, because of the rate of unemployment in Zimbabwe, for someone to make money, you need to start a church. Are you not in the same bracket with those?
No, this is not a money-making game or a money-making thing, because this thing started with my spiritual father, Prophet Daniel of Old Testament. His life was very controversial, so it was passed from the father to the son. So I'm not looking for money. I'm just finishing the work of my father and the work of Jesus Christ, the coming of Jesus Christ.
How do you survive? How do you make a living? Because you need to put bread on your table.
Yes, but about my life, it is God who take care of the man of God, not myself.
How?
I just hand over to God.
How? Because
God just raises the people just to take care of the life of man of God.
So you are not getting money from?
No, we don't. Everything we do is for free. Healing for free, preaching is for free. You just give according to your will. But my life is being taken care of by God, not by the people inside the church.
2017. Any more prophecies that Zimbabwe should expect?
Yeah, more things is going to come, like God is going to visit again. 2017, God will be in Zimbabwe. Like I said before 31 December 2017, God will visit. But we are going to give more details. But we have another event which is going to take place very soon. I shall enter heaven, but I'm going to. God wants to ordain me to be the deputy heavenly army commander. I'm going to be second in charge from Michael. So before February, I shall enter heaven for the ordination, so that I will be ordained. Then from there, I will be the deputy army commander by February. So
deputy army commander in heaven.
No, this is how we are going to operate. Michael is the heavenly army commander. Me, I'll be the deputy. So Michael will operate in the skies and in the heaven. Me, I'm operating on the earth, using all the heavenly army commander to fight the devil and everything. So this is the new development. Very soon, I shall be ordained in heaven.
So what changes are we going to expect from the pastor talent that I'm talking to about now, and the talent who will be the deputy commander from February?
It's going to be a new person, because because I'm going to have some shares or some power even controlling the heavenly army. Because this is the reason, because it's a year of crushing everything, as our theme says. So how can we crush the devil and the fallen angels? We need the heavenly army. So that's why I was being joined in the army. That's why sometimes I said when I was in heaven, I was taken to the battlefield of heavenly army in heaven. I was being taught how to fight and all those things. So we are now finishing the program.
So you are now fully trained now?
Yeah, I'm now fully trained. So my last training, I'm going to train in heaven when I just end up before February.
This is Pastor Talent Madungwe. You have heard his latest controversy. Pastor Talent Madungwe is going to be the Deputy Army Commander. For you to hear much more, join us in our next program. Subscribe to our YouTube, ZimdiTVnews.com, or visit our website, www.ZimdiTVnews.com.